Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a master model using just ChatGPT. Then after we made our master model, we'll transfer our outfit from a mannequin to our master model. So first off, we need to know exactly what we need for our master model. I'm using reference images for everything because this dress is like I made it myself, so I just want to showcase it well on the model. So let's get started. So first, you tell ChatGPT that you want to create a master model for a collection, and it will give you a prompt to use. Now it's telling you to put a reference image 1 for the face and a reference image 2 for the body. So just copy the prompt, paste it, go to your add images, photos and files, photo library, pick your face first, the face you want to use, then the body. Just let it load, then you send it. So now it's going to analyze the image and create a model with your face and the body type that you uploaded. So this is it, and I'll make a little bit adjustment to it, but if you like the first one you can leave it like that, but me, I will just make a little bit adjustment to it. So I just want the foot to be flat on the floor, I don't want her to be on her tiptoe, and I want the hair to be in a bun so that her full face will show. So yeah, this is it. This is much better because I can use this master model for other outfits, not just this one outfit. So next, I'll just adjust the height because it's looking off. So I'll tell ChatGPT to adjust the height, proportion the height properly. I think it's going to make it a little bit taller since it's for modeling. This is okay. You can leave your own however you like. Just this is my preference. Then I'll just save it. So next, I'll tell ChatGPT that I want to wear my clothes, my outfit and my accessories in a mannequin first, not my model. So first, when I do that, it's going to give me a prompt. What I'll do is I'll copy the prompt and make sure I tell ChatGPT that I want to use the prompt for ChatGPT itself, because it's going to adjust it to the best what's it called for ChatGPT. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the prompt, then I'll delete the parts that are not needed, paste it, go to my photo library, and add my reference images, the gown, the shoes, the bags, the nails, the hairs. Then I'll just do it. So this is it. It's going to bring out this image. So next, I need to transfer my outfits from my mannequin to my model. So I will just ask ChatGPT for a prompt for that, and this, I'm not using paid ChatGPT, this is free. So it's going to give me a prompt to lock in my master model. Then I will just copy the prompts, then I will come back here and paste. Then I will select my master model and my mannequin that is wearing the clothes. Then I'll paste it. Then I'll paste the prompts and send it. So now what it's going to do is going to analyze and take the clothes, the outfit, everything from the mannequin and wear it on my model. So this is basically it. So if on this image you see a little bit of error on the hand holding the clutch purse, just tell ChatGPT that what exactly you want it to modify only. So it's going to analyze and regenerate the image and modify it exactly how you want it to. In case you notice any other abnormal clippings on your model, just check ChatGPT to adjust it for you. So this is cleaner. This is so much better. So you see, it did not distort anything, and it took our model's face exactly how it is on our master model. See the creases in the dress, they look normal. So yeah, so we went from this to this to this and finally to this. So that's it. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.